Browser-based file transfers like ToffeeShare can be slow. In this video, we'll explore 9 faster, more reliable alternatives to help you choose the best one. Top 1. Best ToffeeShare Alternative MobiKin Assistant for Android. Designed for users who prefer a structured desktop workflow, MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac enables reliable data transfer between Android phones and computers through USB or Wi-Fi. Top 2. LocalSend. Built around local network sharing, LocalSend allows devices on the same Wi-Fi to exchange files quickly without cables or accounts. Cross-platform compatibility makes it practical for Android to Android and Android to PC transfers. Top 3. Transfer. Focused on browser-based simplicity, Transfer.it, an outstanding LocalSend replacement, makes it easy to send files between Android and PC without installing software. Uploading a file generates a shareable link that works across devices. Top 4. ShareDrop. Operating entirely in the browser, ShareDrop connects nearby devices. Using peer-to-peer technology, Android phones and PCs can exchange files instantly once they appear on the same page. No registration or storage step is required. Top 5. DropSend. Aimed at large file delivery, DropSend supports sending data from Android to PC. Through cloud-based links, recipients download files directly without needing an account. It is commonly used for professional or business-style transfers. Top 6. YouTransfer. Designed for straightforward online transfers, YouTransfer lets users move files between Android devices and computers via generated download links. The process requires no software installation. Top 7. SnapDrop. Relying on local discovery, SnapDrop enables quick file sharing between Android and PC using a web interface. Devices on the same network can detect each other instantly. Transfers happen peer-to-peer without cloud uploads. Top 8. FileZilla. Using the FTP protocol, FileZilla supports Android to PC transfers when the phone runs an FTP server app. Once connected, files can be dragged and dropped like standard folders. It works well for media and documents. Top 9. pCloud. Based on cloud synchronization, pCloud allows files to move seamlessly between Android devices and computers. Uploaded data stays accessible across platforms through automatic sync. Offline access and selective sync improve flexibility.